Alright, I'm going to start up the old Farmall H here. I think it's a 1951. Just restored the carburetor, painted up, and went all through it. That sort of thing. So let me get her fired up here. Didn't have any gas in the carburetor. In the middle of restoring it, to draw the paint or the primer. Been in the family since the 50s. Yeah, just to put all new gaskets and cleaned out the governor. Had the governor off. Dipped it in parts cleaner and got it all clean. Dipped the carburetor, and the carburetor's got all new hardware and whatnot. New sediment bowl. Then the fuel tank's been dipped as well. Completely gone, cleaned up. Just recently took the pulley off and the transmission. It's laying down there in a pan. It's leaking pretty bad. So next step, I'll probably hit the axle seals. They're leaking pretty bad. This side's not as bad as the other side. The axles and that top plate's been leaking. So get her all sealed up, need to stop leaking oil, and then put some paint on it.